Good morning. It is 15 minutes for 7. I'm getting ready for more gardening work. I'm trying to do my breakfast. As you know, I'm trying to have good meals on my breakfast. I need to do my coffee. Yeah, good coffee, yeah. And what else I will have? Oh, and I'm using the leftovers of the coffee for my compost. Oh, my battery's dying. Okay, better. So I need to put creamer to my coffee. I will have my toast with some cream cheese and a banana. I honestly don't think that I will do anything bigger today. Will be just like this. The banana will give me the energy, and I really need to take care of this. I've been slacking yesterday on this part because we are been working on the garden, but let's do this. Clean. Now I need to see what I have here and select what I would need. I usually use everything that is in my basket, but I will show you, I will share with you what I carry in this little basket, okay? So I have my regular gloves that are really good for any soil work. I got these scissors the other day, really good for trimming the grass, clipping the grass. The only thing that I cannot do is, there it is. I got a little, oops, I'm making a mess, shovel. I have my little handy radio. I have these new gloves because these ones are good for the soil and little projects. These ones have leather and they're really good for plants that have a lot of thorns and protect you also part of your arm. That as you can see, I was getting too much scratch. I have a towel to when I'm sweating, and I actually will change for a clean one now. I have these little trim scissors there. I need to clean all my tools. I have two of these different, this one and I got this one also. I like this for like roses and this just for branches, strong branches. And I will remove everything extra that I have here that for some reason is still here. I have my marker. This is all garbage. Let me take the garbage out. Papers and I have some tags for marking, like if I need, sorry, it has soil and everything, like my marker and the tags. If I put something down, I will change these ones, I think, but it's okay. So I have few of them with my marker and a lot of soil right now. It's okay, I will shake later. So that's what I carry here that helped me to get a lot of my projects. It's a very cheap basket that I got. I think it was at Michael's. It's like a decoration basket. It got all I clean. I think I shared in a video. I was using to put flowers. Let me put this soil garbage thing away. And we're going to work on the projects for today. Before I go to do my gardening, I need to take care of the laundry part, because since I'm doing a lot of gardening, a lot of my work, garden work pants that are my sweatpants are dirty. Well, I put in the laundry yesterday, so now I need that they dry so I can have another pants for tomorrow. And with the last ones that were clean. And I washed this blanket. You know, the good thing is like it's not raining a lot, so my dogs are not making a big mess. More Frosty that jumps in bed. Silly dogs. See if my tomatoes need water. Maybe I should water them. Let's water them. I need to finish these ones. And I have my little monsters there. Look at this. Good boy. Good girl. Like that. So let's get this done. I finished shaving all my little bushes, so I don't need this anymore. So I need to put that. I will need actually this, and I don't need. Oh, I will need that one. I don't need those, but I need to put the for my husband, so I need to put that one up in the house and drink more water. Okay, after drinking water and iced tea, I took the other laundry and I want to do my pillows today, so I will take off this part and I will wash, and when this is done I will put in the dryer for a few seconds. I think it's 10 or 10 minutes, I don't know, I have to check. I think I'm done for today. It is 12:54. I've been working since 7:30, almost 8. I mowed the grass. I finished. Oh, come on. These stories are passing. Like my strawberries and blueberries. They have a lot of flowers. All this was mowed. I finished all this mulch. They are all shaved, not perfect, but is looking really cute. Let me see if I can take. I need to change this one that I cut. How they change? I just need to do it. Oh, look at these flowers. They are so cute. Full of flowers. Where else? Oh, I finished giving shape to all these. So now my hostess will be good. And I clean a lot of these little mentis. Okay, I think I'm good for today. I think I did enough. Now I wanna go take a shower, eat something, and relax. I will do the rest of my house cleaning later. I still have a lot to plant. Like I need to take care of the potatoes. I need to put this one in the borders. I need to put it in a pot. I think I will make, oh, you know what? It will be nice to put all these together in this one. I think that is what I will do. And then the kale will go on my other pot. Should I do that now? I think I can do that now. Okay, I think with this I've reached my limit of gardening. Maybe later I feel like doing more. But I put all of them together. I hope that works and we'll see. Okay, let's go to do some cleaning. Well, I'm organizing all the laundry that I have, that I did extra today. And at the same time, I got finally the pillows. And I put back, made my bed. And I think I'm done for today. I didn't notice that I have a dog arrayed with my gaming guild, and that left me a few minutes to log in my game. So thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video.